Welcome to this tutorial. Optimize Gmail storage. Clear space fast. Is your Gmail almost full and blocking new emails? Today you'll learn how to clear Gmail space quickly and safely. Let's start freeing your Gmail storage now. Open your web browser and visit one.google.com/storage. Click on Clean Up Space. Now open Gmail in a new browser tab. Remove old promotional emails. In the Gmail search bar, type category, promotions older than 6M and press enter. Select all unnecessary promotional emails. Click on the delete icon from the top panel, open the trash folder and click empty trash now. Clean spam folder. From the left panel, open the spam folder. From the top, click on delete all spam messages now. Clean Google Drive storage. Open drive.google.com in a new tab. From the left sidebar, click on Storage. From the top right, choose Storage used to sort large files first. Select Unwanted large files. Right-click and choose Delete. Open Drive Trash and click Empty Trash. Make this cleanup a monthly habit to stay stress-free. Wasn't that easy? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.